I think we're all familiar with generative AI, things like chatbots and image generators and the like, and they are really fundamentally reactive systems. They wait for you to do something. Specifically, they wait for you to prompt them. And once you prompt them, their job is to generate some kind of content based upon what you provided in the prompt. And they're using patterns they learned during training. Now, the things that it can generate, well, that might be some text, or it might be an image, or it might be a piece of code, or it might be some audio. These are all sorts of things that we can generate with generative AI, and they're essentially sophisticated pattern matching machines.